Okay, Happy New Year's, guys. This is going to be one hell of a year. The year where Elon Musk's companies are starting to converge big time. This is going to transform and revolutionize industries and society in so many ways. It's hard to put into words. In this video, I'm going to do a deep dive into what that means, why this matters to all of us, and how this is going to represent the biggest and most mind-blowing investment opportunity Earth has ever seen. Hit me up with feedback, comments, questions down below. I'm looking forward to interacting with all of you guys. I read all of them. Let's dive right in.
By late 2026, that's next year, maybe the year after, uncrewed starships will launch toward Mars. Inside, Tesla's humanoid robots. Probably hundreds of them, likely thousands eventually, packed like cargo. No life support needed for them. No food, no water, no air. Just batteries, solar panels, and robots, flat-packed in every cubic meter of Starship. Optimus will arrive first, months or years before any human, before life support is tested, before habitats are built. It will prepare everything. Building structures from Martian regolith, 3D printing habitats, testing life support systems, setting up solar arrays in optimal locations, creating safe zones for human arrival, mapping out the terrain, finding water ice deposits. Think about what this means. Think about the implications. Optimus isn't just a factory robot that welds cars. It uses the same AI as Tesla's full self-driving, the same vision systems that see the road, the same neural networks that make split-second decisions, the same decision-making algorithms that navigate traffic. It's trained on Earth. Millions of tasks, opening doors, climbing stairs, manipulating objects, refined by Grok in orbital data centers, improved continuously, controlled via MarsLink, instructions sent from Earth, executed on Mars autonomously, powered by Tesla batteries. The same battery tech that's been refined over millions of vehicles, recharged by Tesla solar panels, tested in the harshest environments on Earth, now going to the harshest environment humans have ever tried to work in. And when it breaks down, because it will, things break on Mars, the dust, the cold, the radiation. It'll repair itself, or other Optimus units will fix it. They'll have spare parts. They'll cannibalize broken units. They'll improvise solutions. They'll adapt to conditions no human has experienced. Swarms of robots, coordinated by AI, communicating through MarsLink, sharing information, learning from each failure, getting better, turning red dust into civilization, before we even leave Earth, before a single human risks their life making that 9-month journey. Before a single human steps foot on Mars, there will be buildings, power systems, communication networks, a foundation, a home waiting for us. This is how you colonize a planet in the 21st century. You send the robots first. But none of this works without the final piece. The one thing holding it all together. The thing that makes the entire system possible. The thing that changed the economics of space forever. Starship. The fully reusable 150-ton-to-orbit monster that makes all of this economically possible. Let me say that number again. 150 tons to orbit, in one launch, for a fraction of what it used to cost. Without Starship, none of this works. The numbers don't add up. The costs are too high. The physics of rockets are brutal. The tyranny of the rocket equation. But with Starship, everything changes. The entire equation flips. Want to launch 100 Starlink satellites at once? Starship does it. Want to deploy orbital AI data centers weighing tons? Starship. Want to send Optimus robots to Mars with all their equipment? Starship. Want to send the fuel to bring them home? Starship. Want to send humans eventually? Starship. Want to send the habitats, the food, the supplies, the backup systems? Starship. 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 It's the circulatory system, the blood flow, the logistics network, the thing that connects Earth to orbit to Mars to the future. And here's the beautiful part, the economics that make it all sustainable. Every Starlink satellite launched generates revenue, billions per year now, growing fast as more people sign up. That revenue funds Starship development. Every dollar Starlink makes goes back into making Starship better. Better Starships launch more satellites and AI data centers. More satellites generate more money. More money builds more Starships. More Starships build Mars infrastructure faster. It's a self-reinforcing economic and technological feedback loop, a flywheel that spins faster every year. Momentum building, compounding on itself. This isn't a business. It's a machine that builds the machines that preserve life in our solar system. Now add Neuralink, brain-computer interfaces. For what? For enhanced control in space environments. Astronauts controlling Optimus units remotely, linking human consciousness to Optimus workers across millions of miles, managing complex systems with thought, reducing latency, increasing bandwidth between human and machine. Add XAI, overarching intelligence optimizing every decision across the network in real time. Flight paths, power distribution, resource allocation, communication routing, fleet management, task scheduling, problem solving, everything. You're not looking at companies anymore. You're looking at a living system, Starlink and Marslink connecting everything. A brain, XAI making decisions, hands, Optimus doing the physical work, a circulatory system, Starship moving resources and materials, an energy system, Tesla solar and batteries powering it all connected, all interdependent, all evolving together, getting smarter, getting more efficient, getting closer to the goal every single day. And that system is about to do something nobody expected. Something that seemed impossible just 5 years ago. Something that will change everything. This isn't a plan for 2050. It's not a dream for the next century. It's not science fiction you tell your grandkids about. It's happening now. Right now, as you listen to this, AI satellites are being designed. Engineers are solving problems to make this a reality. Right now, Optimus is being prepped for extraterrestrial deployment. They're testing it in Mars analog environments, desert training, extreme cold, high radiation. Right now, Marslink proposals are being refined, orbital mechanics calculated, frequencies allocated, laser systems tested. Starship prototypes are being stacked in Texas. Tested, improved, launched, blown up. Version after version getting better. Humans on Mars? Elon's target 2029 to 2031. Half a decade from now. Some people think he's crazy. Some think it's impossible. But those same people said he couldn't land rockets, couldn't make electric cars profitable, couldn't build a satellite constellation. These people are wrong. Every time. Think about what that means. Think about what Elon's built in just 20 years. From almost going bankrupt in 2008 to this. A communication network spanning planets. An energy system that never sleeps, flowing from the sun constantly. A robotic workforce that doesn't breathe, doesn't eat, doesn't complain, doesn't need sleep. A transportation system that defies the economics of physics, making space accessible for humanity. A superintelligence that optimizes everything in real time, learning, adapting, improving. This is humanity's backup plan, our insurance policy, against asteroids, against climate collapse, against nuclear war, against pandemics we can't predict, against solar flares, against any single planet risk we can imagine or can't even imagine yet. The dinosaurs didn't have a space program. We do. The future isn't just multi-planetary. The future is already being built, right now, today. And it's not separate pieces. It's not isolated projects funded by different billionaires. It's one interconnected organism, growing, adapting, learning from every failure, expanding from Earth to orbit, to the moon, to Mars, to the moons of Jupiter, and beyond. We are all distilled sunshine, temporarily shaped into biology on a fragile world. Now, through this convergence, we're extending that light, that consciousness, across the void. Not just surviving, but transcending single planet limits, becoming something greater. So here's my question for you. Will we see humans walking on Mars before 2030? Will Optimus robots successfully build the first Martian structures that humans live in? Will this convergence accelerate even faster than we think? Will something happen that we can't even predict right now? Drop your prediction in the comments. Tell me what you think. And if this blew your mind, if you're seeing Elon's companies differently now because of this convergence, it's just getting started. The next 5 years will be wild, and you won't want to miss what happens next.